Identifiers. Identifiers are unique character strings that are tied to an entity, whether it is the work, expression, manifestation, item, person, corporate body, family, etc. These character strings serve to differentiate one entity from another entity of the same kind. For the purposes of this video, we will focus on identifiers related specifically to the manifestation in hand. Guidelines for recording identifiers related to a manifestation can be found in RDA 2.15.1. Identifiers for manifestation is a core element and may be recorded from any source of information. These may often be found on the title page verso, the bottom of pages in the text, book covers, or other resources. There are many kinds of identifiers. You are already familiar with the International Standard Serial Number, ISSN, from a previous video. Books now come with an International Standard Book Number, ISBN. A publisher may issue a number associated with their publications, often used as an identifier for the internal record keeping, and a distributor may assign a Universal Product Code, UPC, for use in point-of-sale systems. U.S. governmental agencies assign identifiers as well, such as the Library of Congress Control Number, LCCN. For the purposes of this video, we will focus on the ISBN. An ISBN has numbers that represent specific characteristics. It often appears in conjunction with a barcode, which represents the International Article Number or European Article Number, EAN, which is the equivalent of the Universal Product Code, UPC. Sometimes they are the same and sometimes they are not. ISBNs may be 10 or 13 digits, though their predecessor, the SBN, was only 9 digits. All ISBNs assigned starting in 2007 have 13 digits. They start with either 978 or 979. Just for fun, if you are really into math, check out the Wikipedia entry for ISBNs and look at the check digit section. There is some pretty serious math involved. The ISBN is recorded in a MARC 020 field, subfield A. Record the number without any spaces or hyphens. Our class policy is to only record the ISBN from the book itself. Do not try to find it somewhere on the web. The 10-digit and 13-digit versions of an ISBN may be present together, and they may have the same or different check digits at the end. If there is a qualifier, such as hardback, paperback, or international edition, specified with the ISBN in the book, include it in the MARC 020 subfield Q. Transcribe that qualifier exactly as you see it in the book, even if it is abbreviated. For a comprehensive description of multi-part monographs, include the ISBNs for each volume, and include the volume numbers as a qualifier in MARC 020 subfield Q. Using parentheses is optional. In the event we find an incorrect ISBN, we still record it in the MARC 020 field, but record it in the subfield Z instead. MARC 020 subfield Z is used for incorrect numbers, canceled numbers, invalid numbers, and invalid check digits. Usually, when you find an incorrect ISBN, it will not be obvious until you've entered it into a WorldCat record using OCLC's connection system. When WorldCat gets an incorrect or invalid number, it will let you know. It has been programmed to validate the numbers through various methods. The ISSN belongs in a MARC 022 field, subfield A. It is recorded with the 4-digit hyphen 4-digit convention. It may also be included in the MARC 490 field, subfield X, with the series title, and the MARC 830 field, subfield X, with the authorized access point for the series, which will be covered in later modules. Other standard identifiers, such as the UPC, may be recorded in the MARC 024 field. This field can potentially be used by any format, especially for UPC numbers. And other publisher-assigned or distributor-assigned numbers are recorded in the MARC 028 field. This field is not often used by many formats outside of music, but the distributor format distributor number especially may apply beyond that. Check out the LC MARC formats and the OCLC bibliographic formats and standards for more information and examples on the MARC 024 and 028 numbers.